The following is a public notice of a special market test. In cooperation with incentives from Ford Motor Company and General Motors, Sumner, Washington is the nationally exclusive site for a special market test comparison between two of the most popular trucks in America, the Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado 1500. You'll test drive and compare more than 100 brand new Ford F-150s or Chevy Silverados for performance and handling, trim packages, options, color, styling, price, and financing. With your 2017 or newer trade with less than 70,000 miles, most are available for MSRP or even less. Factory-supported financing as low as 0% APR. There's also extended term financing at the market's lowest rates from Sound Credit Union. Warranty protection for life and oil changes for life are included on every qualifying vehicle. The exclusive locations are Sunset Ford of Sumner, just off Highway 410 in Sumner, just down the hill from Bonnie Lake, and Sunset Chevrolet on Traffic Avenue in downtown Sumner. This special market test must end May 31st. This message will be repeated.